This is a quick look at how an electrical outlet is wired. The white wires, or neutral wires, are attached to the silver screws on the outlet, and the black wires, or hot wires, are attached to the brass screws. Remember, black, brass, both start with B. Black wire goes to brass screw. The ground wires go to the green ground screw. I had two ground wires, so I had to connect them together with a wire nut because two wires won't fit on the screw, so that's why I had to use the wire nut. Now on the outlet itself, you'll notice that one slot is longer than the other. That's called a polarized plug. The longer slot is the neutral wire, and that's on the silver screw side of the outlet. And the shorter slot is the hot wire, and that's on the brass screw side.